Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandrapadirilla and let's do your reading for the month of March 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Cancer. So I'll be doing the golden dawn spread for you. So the first three cards you can see is the situation, and the top right side corner you will have your current path, left top corner you will have your alternate path, bottom left corner is your psychological basis, and finally your right bottom corner will be your karma. So current path is where you're intending to go. Alternate path is what you can alternately do other than your current path. Psychological basis is something that is running in the background for your situation, and karma is something that you cannot untie, something that you cannot change, which is destined for you, and the lessons that universe is trying to tell you. There is no other way around. You have to go through that. That is the karma. So there are 5 parts and each part has 3 cards, and now I have drawn the cards. Let's do the face up of the cards and see what we have, Cancer. Alright guys, now the face up of the cards are done. Let's get into your reading. Now in your situation you got 2 major arcanas, which is the Empress and Lust, and 1 minor arcana, which is Deep Bounce, which is nothing but 7 of Cups. Now as you can see, Cancer is this, this water sign, right? Cancer. Now Empress, there is little bit of watery element also with the Empress. She connects with birds, she connects with all the animals, and luxury comes to her very naturally. She has to not work, she has to not do anything. She has to just lay down, and every birds are attracted, every animal is attracted, every animal is comfortable towards it. And at the same time, she doesn't have to do anything. Naturally money comes to her, money comes to her, and luxury, the abundance also comes to her. She has it, naturally she's attracting everything. And also Empress is beauty, so you're quite beautiful in the month of March, and also you're attracting a lot of luxurious things, and also a lot of abundance in your life, abundance of money, things. And also you might be connecting with animals also in the month of March, birds especially is what I'm seeing. And also your emotions is quite very stable and very, you're quite enjoying life. Your emotions are quite stable. At the same time, you have a lot of self-love with you, and there is lust, there is a lot of self-love that you have in the month of March. You're loving yourself, and you're enjoying life, you're enjoying what life has to offer, whether it be fruits and whether it be anything, what life has to offer, you're enjoying is what I'm seeing. And you got deep bounce. Deep bounce is 7 of Cups. So deep bounce is nothing but you are quite you're quite clouded by seeing everything that universe has, and you're quite also confused what to choose, because you like everything and you're quite confused what to choose. It's like you go to a bakery and you see a lot of pastries and you don't know what flavor or what kind of pastry you like to eat. Or you can see a lot of donuts, different kinds of donuts, and you don't know what kind of donut you want to have, because you're blinded by that. You want to have everything, but you know that you can't eat everything. At the same time, you like everything, so you're quite confused. Most of the time, if there is a lot of options, that's when the customer kind of tries to take more time in order to decide what to eat. Whereas if there is only if there are less items, then customer doesn't think much or take more time to decide what to eat. So that is an very vague example, but you relate to your situation. That is your situation here. Now let's look into your current path, where you're intent to go. You got Princess of Discs, you got 5 of Wands, which is Strive, and 2 of Wands, which is Dominion. Now you're actually figuring out where to go, and figuring out what you want and how to get it is what I'm saying, not where to go. Also, it also determines where to go and get it, but at the same time, you're figuring out what you want and how to get it in the month of March. Okay, in the process, you might actually decide where to go also, but here it is how. If you answer how, you'll also get it where. In your case is what I'm saying. So with the Princess of Discs, you're thinking what you want in life and what makes you happy and what makes you fulfilled and what makes you brighten and what makes you you stand out, your personality, the things that you like, the dreams, the personality. So you're striving towards that, to making your personality strong and stand out from the rest of the people. That's what you're striving with the 5 of Wands. And Dominion is also waiting and trying to plan. There's a lot of planning and there is a lot of figuring out is what I'm saying. Where to go, what is it and how to do it. What is your dreams, what do you want in life and how to get it. And Dominion is all about planning and waiting also. Okay, there's a lot of planning and a lot of waiting, a lot of looking, a lot of visualization also. Dominion, you got in alternate path, you got 9 of Wands, which is Strength, Queen of Swords, which is Court card, Chariot, which is Major Arcana. Now, rather than your current path, in your current path you got one Court card, but in alternate path you got one Court card, which is Queen, which is much better Court card, and at the same time you got a Major Arcana, which is the Chariot. So usually the element increases. The Major Arcana means the most amount of importance is mentioned in the major arcana. There's a lot of importance in the alternate path, but it depends on you. If you don't like your current path, if you're not comfortable with your current path, then go for your alternate path. If you're not comfortable with alternate path, then stick with your current path. But universe is saying this is something which is there for you. You got 9 of Wands, which is strength. So universe is telling you, rather than trying to figure out what you want next, try to be happy for what you have and gain strength from that way. And also at the same time, even before you start figuring out what you want, have the strength that you will make it happen. Or of course you have, but of course you have the belief, but focus on the belief even more and make it even more stronger. So you start to question yourself even better, that is this the thing I really want, and is this the thing which makes me happy? Because you start to question yourself even deeper, is what I'm saying. If you take the alternate path and focus on the strengths more and your belief more, you start to question your with the Queen of Swords even deeper. You'll ask even deeper questions. Will this even fetch me happiness in the long term? Will this work out? Will this even help me in the future if I get this? So you'll question even deeper if you take the alternate path. Also at the same time, we got major arcana. Then you start to move in the direction where it is very important for you, which is major arcana. After you narrow down what you really want, then even the importance of movement will also be strong. That is the alternate path. And let's look into your psychological basis. What you have, you got Ace of Swords, you got 9 of Discs, which is gain, and 6 of Discs, which is success. A lot of discs here, a lot of money. There is a lot of preparation of money in the background in your subconscious mind. At the same time, a lot of new thinking. You're thinking what to do, new things with the Ace of Swords. What kind of new things can I do? How can I shine brightly by thinking newly and creatively? And you're using your mind a lot. You're thinking about it a lot, is what I'm saying. And you're quite clouded at the same time. Even though if it is clouded, you're cutting through the clouds and you're thinking, keep on thinking. And of course you will shine. You'll get some enlightenment with respect to whatever you're thinking. And with the 9 of Discs, which is gain, there will be some kind of gain when you do that, some kind of achievement and some kind of success also. You'll be making a lot of money also. Of course, this is running in the background. This is something which is building up in the background, and in order to manifest it will take time, but still you will definitely get some success and get some gain. You'll get some result from that, from whatever you're thinking, how to do creatively different, and how can I shine brightly different. These kind of thoughts will definitely fetch, is what I'm saying. Also, you can see a lot of mirror is there. A lot of symmetry is also very much significant in your life. Symmetry and a lot of symmetry and mirror images is what I'm saying. Definitely a lot of symmetry and mirror. Also patterns is what I'm saying. Definitely. Let's look into your karma. What is your karma and what universe is teaching you? And this is something that you're destined to learn. There's no other around. Okay, you got 2 of Cups, which is love. You got 7 of Wands, which is Veiler, and major arcana, which is the Emperor. Now again, karma is also becoming very major for you because with the Emperor card, and also with the 2 of Cups. So now your karma is to not only love yourself with the situation, which is lust, but also with the 2 of Cups in the karma. Your karma is to actually share emotions and share the beautiness that you experience to others as well. So it's not only that you be happy, but also shine and make others happy and teach others happy. At the same time you're being happy, you have to outshine and you have to make others also shine, is what I'm saying. You can see, because there's a lot of water which is flowing in through the fish and out of the fish. So it's coming out of the fish. So your emotions should come out naturally and it should flow freely. So the way you feel happy, you have to enjoy your happiness. At the same time, people also should see your happiness. At the same time, they have to be happy. You have to make them happy. You have to teach them how you are happy, how you are making your water flow. Even they have to make the water flow. So you have to teach other people how to be happy as well. It's not only you being happy. with the Two of Cups. So that's the karma. And also you can see Cancer symbol over here, you being in Cancer. You're also connecting with Mercury symbol. So your Mercury and your Cancer element is definitely this Two of Cups energy, which is sharing of emotions at, like, you know, with the Mercury, communication. Use your communication. I feel like you can use your communication. I feel like you have this unique way of attracting people with your communication, with your voice is what I'm seeing, because there's a lot of emphasis on your, you know, mouth also. Using your voice, using your communication with your voice, you can attract people, you can make others feel happy. You know, you can tell a joke, but again, jokes are quite complicated, because again, there is a different way of telling a joke. If you tell a joke, there is always someone who gets hurt, or else there'll be no joke. So again, I feel like you have the ability to make it happen is what I'm saying. Now with the Seven of Wands, there is Veiler. So you can see there is a lot of symmetry, even when the karma is what I'm saying with the Veiler card, Seven of Wands. Your ability is to strive in order to not see what will happen next, just move forward. At the same time, there is a lot of symmetry. So your actions are determining your actions are determining your future very rapidly is what I'm saying, because of the Wands energy. This is Mars energy. This is the Roman god of war, which is Mars, and also Leo symbol over here. So because of the energy, because of the Mars energy, there is some kind of result which you're getting, and you have to not focus on the result much, just action is what I'm seeing right now, and everything will take part, because everything is set. It's all about for you to just be strong, take the alternate path, focus on the belief more, not the exactly thinking how to get it, but make you believe strong, and then focus on what you really want, and then you can narrow down exactly what you really want, and at the same time figure out, will this exactly fetch me happiness in the future. With the Emperor card, your karma is also to become a leader, to also lead other people, and to take authority is what I'm seeing. You can see he's holding something in his hand, and this is signified by the symbol of authority. He's having the authority in his hand, and there is a lot of discipline with the wands which is carrying with the Aries. Lot of strength, a lot of power, and a lot of authority. You'll get the authority, you'll teach other people is what I'm seeing. Lot of teaching how to be happy and how to just have your emotions flow freely. Like, it's just natural. It's how you feel happy. The same time, while you're feeling happy, you're teaching other people is what I'm saying, and that is your karma. And that's what you have to do in the month of March 2021. You have to enjoy your life, you have to be happy, and this is a happy month for you. Just enjoy life like the Empress. There is a lot of pleasure, a lot of happiness coming to you, a lot of abundance which is coming to you. Just enjoy, and also outshine, and even make others shine as well. Okay, that's all I have for you, Cancer. If you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. Also, you can follow me on social media. All my links are in the description. I'm in Instagram, Facebook page, and I'm in Twitter. So I'll be posting posts there, update every single time I upload any video, so you'll get notified and you'll never miss any video from me. And if you do like to get a personal reading from me, you can check out my business card. I do offer services for tarot readings, astrological readings, life coaching, and daily readings. All my price ranges are mentioned respectively with Indian rupees. Also, you can find my social media links as well there, along with my phone number, so you can contact me like that, and I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for so much support, and thanks for watching. Thank you.